Okay, guys, let's start then today with grammar class. Yesterday we were discussing about verb tenses, right? Do you remember that we were discussing sorry about past and present? Yes. So to introduce the class today, I have a question for you, and I need you to think in a minute this question. What will you do when this quarantine finish? What will you do when this
Finish.
finish?
I know.
Gastarme
First,
500
Think,
pesos
I
en
am
think
going
about
to
it. Think about it. And I'm gonna ask, think about
Ya
it.
lo pensé.
What will you do when this finish?
Comprarme nuevos controles
Ah,
y un
wait,
juego nuevo para Nintendo.
wait. Think for a minute, and then I'm gonna ask, what would you do? What are you going to do when this finish? Ready? Yes, so I'm gonna ask to Glynis, share please with us. What will you do when this finish?
Mr. I always me the first one.
Sorry?
This,
Glynis, come on, Glynis. We are in classes. You have to
okay.
participate.
When if the quarantine finish, I gonna go to the how you say calle.
To the street.
I gonna run
Street.
to the street and I will say to God, thank you.
Okay. So now let's listen to Miguel Avila. Good job, Glynis.
When I finish the quarantine, what I do is that I gonna do a reunion with all my family and go to McDonald's and eat a hamburger.
Okay, good job.
Woo!
So now let's listen to Christian Menjivar.
I will visit my family.
Okay, good job. So, Maria Jose.
I before quarantine, I'm going to go to the school, and then I can visit my grandmother, my grandfather, my my two dogs that I have in another house. A lot
Okay.
of things, Mister. A lot of.
Okay, good job. So, now Diego Betancourt, tell me. What will you do when this finish? Sorry? Are you in classes, Diego? Okay, so let's listen to Kenneth.
I will going to the house of my uncle and equal go to boys new things like
Like her?
like new controls for the Nintendo Switch
Okay.
and a new game.
Okay, good job. So, now let's listen to Gabriel.
Me, Mister.
Yes, Gabriel.
I want to go to McDonald's and stay with my mother that it is working in Mister, ¿cómo se dice local en inglés?
The store?
Goes yes.
Okay. So now the last person, Sebastian.
I going to the house of my grandmother.
Okay, good job. So guys,
And little sister.
okay, so which do you think is the topic for today?
Future tense.
Future.
Future
Future tense.
tense. Good job. So we are talking about things that will happen, right? That are going to be in the near future, and which are the ones, the patterns that we use to talk in future.
Will.
Will. Good job. Will, right? And we shall. Which other we use? What else we use? Okay. Will and what else?
Mister, discúlpeme, es que se me crafteó todo el Zoom.
What else, guys?
Mr. Gabriel está durmiendo ahí.
Guys? Will, just will we use to talk in future? I think that Gleanis use another pattern to talk in future. Miguel Avila as well use another pattern to talk in future. Which is the other pattern we use to talk in future?
Should.
Will and Miguel Avila, could you repeat what you say, please? About your answer?
Will.
Will, you didn't say will. You said another thing.
No, should.
Come on, guys. Will, Gleanis as well. She said another word to refer future. And it was not will. Gleanis, could you repeat what you said?
Wait. Go, I think that I said.
No, but go is a normal verb. I'm talking about which is the pattern that you use to refer future. I know that will is one, right? I will go, right? But there is another way to refer future. And some of you mentioned it.
I'm going.
Going to. Some of you said gonna, right? But when we say gonna, it is an informal way to say going to. Yes, of course. So, which are the two patterns we use to refer future? Will and?
Going to.
Will and going to. Yes, of course. These are the two patterns we use to refer, right, future. So, guys, I'm going to explain you what you have to do, right? Also, how to use this pattern. And that's why I'm going to show you this presentation that I have here. Yeah, and I need you to pay attention, right? And here we have future tense, right? Can you see my presentation, right?
Yes.
Okay. So here we have verb tense, right? And, but the thing that I'm gonna show you to you, we know that when we use future tense is to refer to our future. I think that will happen, right? So now we have two things to do, right? And the first one is going to, right? Going to, and how we are gonna use going to. First, we have to write the subject, right? And which subject we know? I, right? You, he,
she,
Yes, we can use as well names, right?
Like Tom, the boy,
Yes, of
she,
course.
Anna,
We
the
may use
girl.
nouns as well, right? So then the second part that we have to use is the verb to be, right? And which is the verb to be? When we're talking about I, which is the verb to be of I? Am, right? Yes, about you are, right? He is, Tom is, the boy is, she is, right? And next to the verb to be, right, we use going to. And after that, we use the verb tense in the way it is, right? Like for example, it. And at the end, the rest of the sentence. Yes? Like for example, I may say, I am going to read, right, the storybook tomorrow. Yes? Or I am going to have, like for example, instead of read, we use have. I am going to have classes of spelling, right? So, oh, you may say as well, you are going to eat chicken today, like just like an example, right? Do you understand how to use will? Yes?
Yes.
Sorry, going to, yes? So, we use going to, right? And how would you ask a question using going to? How would you do it? The only thing that you have to do is to change, right? The order of the subject and the verb to be, right? Like for example, you say I am, right? So when you are gonna ask a question, you have to say, am I, right? You move this to the beginning and this one over here. Am I going to read, right? Are you going to read? Is he going to read? Is Tom going to read? You understand? Yes? Okay, so now let's see. Then we have the will, right? Will. That is the other pattern to use future. Yes? And here we have the same. First we have the subject, and then we have right the auxiliary that in this case the auxiliary is will, and then we have the verb, right? The verb, it doesn't change, right? I will come. Yes, but this is in positive way, right? And what happened in negative form? I will, and then I add not, yes, come, yes. And as a question, the only thing that you have to do is to change the order, right? I will I, yes? You will you, right? And also, you have to remember that at the end, you have to use question marks, yes? So, do you understand, guys? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so let's practice. Let's practice in order to see if you understand. So, I'm going to show you some pictures. I think that the same picture or different picture we used yesterday, right? And the only thing that you have to do is, I'm going to tell you. Like for
Is you
example,
a sentence of
I may say, uh, just an example, Brisa, I can say Brisa, for example. Could you please create a question using this picture with using going to or will, right? Or create a sentence, a positive sentence using this picture, using will, right? Or and so on. Do you understand? Okay, let's start then with Miguel Ávila. Okay, Miguel Ávila. Look at the picture, Miguel Ávila. right? What can you see in the picture?
A boy that is in a soft shirt.
Okay. So, now, Miguel Avila, could you please create a sentence using will in positive way? Will in positive. Using the sentence. This picture. So.
I will going to sit in the chair.
Okay, I will going to. It is possible to use both in the same sentence. All right, if you use will, you don't have to use going to. If you use going to, you don't have to use will. Okay, let's try it again. Miguel, could you please do it again? No worries, do it again. But you have to use one, will or going. You have to use will, no more.
I will sleep in the chair.
Yes, of course. Good job. You see? Easy, right? Okay, let's continue then. And I'm gonna ask.
Me equivoqué, mister.
No worries, no worries. It is okay, right? Baden. What can you see here, Baden?
A suite of, how do you say, astronauta?
Yes.
Astronaut.
Astronaut. A suite astronaut.
Yes. So now you are gonna use this picture to create a sentence using going to in affirmative way, in a positive way.
I going to watch the suite astronaut suite.
Astronaut suit. Good job, Baden. Good job. Excellent. So now let's listen to Gustavo. Gustavo, look at the picture. What can you observe in the picture?
A tree in the rain.
Rain or snow?
Snow, I think.
No, it isn't snow. So, Gustavo, you are going to create a question. A question using will. Will. Yeah.
You think that tomorrow will rain?
Sorry?
You think that tomorrow will rain?
Rain or snow? Do you remember?
Snow.
Yes, of course. Or, good job, Gustavo. Good job. Or you may say as well, it will snow, right? Or will it snow tomorrow? Yes? So, good job. Let's continue then with Gabriel. Gabriel. Look at the picture, Gabriel. What is she doing?
She's brushing her teeth.
Okay, so Gabriel, you have to create a question using going to.
You go to brush your teeth.
Using going to, Gabriel.
Okay.
Remember that when we use going to, we have to use the verb to be.
Okay. You're going to brush your teeth.
You're going to brush your teeth. Are you sure? Remember that you have to change the order, right?
Okay.
First, the verb to be. Are you? Yes, and then
Are you going to brush your teeth?
yes, of course. Good job. Are you going to brush your teeth? Yes, of course. So let's continue. Then I'm gonna listen to Miguel Alejandro. Miguel Alejandro. Okay. What can you see in the picture?
Mister se quedó crashado. Ahí está. Girl.
Pero ¿qué acción está haciendo?
Okay, Miguel, we're waiting. What
Mister,
is,
how do you say bañarse in English?
come on, you don't know how
Take
to
a bath.
take a
Take a
bath or
bath.
take a shower.
The girl take a bath.
Okay, so you are going to use this picture to create a sentence using will in negative form. Negative.
I don't will to
I don't.
go.
No, guys.
Mister, I know.
Mister, I know.
I'm gonna show you again. I'm gonna show you again because I think that we didn't talk about this because it doesn't appear, right? So when we are talking about will in negative form, guys,
It's
the only thing that you have to do is to add not will or use won't. Yes? Like for example, I will not take a shower today, or I won't take a shower today. Yes? The only thing is that you have to add, right, the word not to the auxiliary, right? So let's try it again, Miguel Alejandro. You see,
Will not today to
I,
get a bath.
repeat after me. I
I will
will
not
not,
take a bath.
sorry,
To take a
I will not, or I won't take a shower today. Yes? So,
I will
last
not
one.
to take a shower today.
Okay, the last one. The last one, and I'm gonna ask to
Me, Mr. Ángel.
Angela, Angeles. No, let's listen to Angeles. Angeles, you,
Yes, Mister.
could you please look at the picture?
Yes.
So now you have to use this picture in order to create a sentence in future using will in affirmative way.
I will buy that diamond.
Okay, good job. I will buy this diamond. Good job. Right? So let's continue then with the class, and I'm gonna ask you to go to now. Okay, the last one, Krista Menjiva. So, Krista Menjiva, create a sentence using will, right? In a question using this picture.
I will.
Now, remember that you create a sentence. Remember when you are asking the order change, right? Will you start with will?
Will I birthday 5 years old?
Okay, okay. So now let's continue then. And I'm gonna ask you to go page 176. 76. Are you there, guys?
Yes.
So,
The page,
the,
Mister.
the 176. In this exercise, these are just 5 exercises, guys.
What page, mister?
175, 76, 176. What you have to do here is that you have to write the future tense, right, of the verb in the parentheses. Yes, write both full future tense and the contractions, right? You know what are the contractions?
Yes.
Okay, well, you know which are the, right? So, in the number 1, remember that you have to write, like, right, with the verb that you have in the parentheses, yes, or in the bracket. And then we have she, and which is the verb we have?
She will take.
Will take, right, a field trip with her class.
Mister, what parentheses in the page 166 there?
76, right? So what you're going to write first, will take, right? And which is the contractions? Which would be the contraction?
She'll.
Which one?
She'll.
She'll take, right? She'll take. You have to write will take and she'll take. Yes? Number 2. They, then we have, which is the verb we have?
Visit.
Visit, right? The site of a famous battle, right? So, which one would be the answer here?
What, mister?
They'll.
Will visit, right? And the contraction will be they'll visit. Yes? You have to use will with the verb and then with the contraction. Yes? So finish you 3, 4, and 5, and it will be, right, our class for today. And we will stop there. Yes? You have 2 minutes. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes because there are just 3. You finish?
Finish.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask to Andrea Larissa to share number 3.
No pagó la computadora.
She sees the bridge that she read about in school.
Yeah. So,
Will be she will see, and the
okay.
contraction is she'll.
She'll see, right? Remember that in the contraction, you have to use the verb as well. She'll see, right? As well as they'll visit. Okay, now let's listen to Andrea Montserrat, number 4.
Number 4.
Yes.
They talk to the park ranger about the battle.
Yes. Okay, Andrea, speak up.
Is present tense.
Present tense. Are we talking about present tense? Come on, Andrea. Are you in classes? Are you in classes, Andrea, or not? let's listen then to Brisa. Number 4.
They talked to the park ranger about the bottle.
Yes?
They talked.
Yes, they will talk. And using contraction will be?
They talked.
Yes, they'll talk. Okay, number 5. So let's listen to Sebastian with number 5. That's the last one.
Okay. The teacher calculates.
Mister, me voy
Yes,
a
yes.
salir porque la compu me está descargando, me voy a conectar.
Okay, Sebastian? Continue.
The teacher calculates how much it costs to buy cookies,
Cups? Yes.
copies of a historic map for the classroom.
Okay, good job. So, tell me, which would be the answer? Or how would you use that will in this sentence?
Will cost
Sorry?
will cost
Okay. Will cost and using contraction.
huh?
And we using the